Okay, we're gonna do we cleaned this yesterday for the woman because her dog had peed in the carpet. It's dried overnight, so we're gonna do a post vacuum. I don't think it needs one, but we'll do it just because it's a courteous thing to do, and we live close to the person. We're using the Dirt Devil. A lot of people like these don't work. Well, let me tell you something. They work, and you're gonna see because we're gonna make a video. I don't know how much stuff we're gonna pull up because this carpet's pretty clean, but who knows? Well, here we go.
I smell burning rubber.
I bet you do.
Yeah, that belt. I bet these things eat belts. That's one of the fun things about them.
What? Do you really smell something?
Yeah, the carpet's thick, and I can smell burning rubber. And I think, well, that's a new belt.
I'll tell you this machine, I'll tell you a little bit about this before I finish.
Belts are hard to find that fit these right too.
You You can't even buy the machines no more. These are a Walmart special.
Yeah.
That's why they're purple. They're a Walmart vacuum cleaner. Everything about it, they're obsolete.
Well, yeah, we had a tough time finding belts that fit right.
Oh, we bought them and had to send them back and buy more. It was a hassle. You
But
can't buy them,
it's still a fairly new
we ended
belt.
up getting them like
probably-
on Amazon. You can't buy them anywhere in the city. Anywhere. They're real difficult to get.
Just figured I bought the carpet posts because these carpets are still fairly new.
Well, maybe.
That and Dirt Devils are pretty aggressive on carpet.
Well, the truth is, this woman has a Bissell Power Force canister vacuum.
Yeah, it's over
And
there.
she vacuums like every day. So
Yeah, it's not that bad.
we got that much debris out of this.
Don't put it too close. Yeah, okay, yeah.
It's
It's mostly fuzz.
fuzz, but it's also stuff that the extractor brung up a little bit. But this carpenter vacuumed so much that we didn't expect to fill the canister. But this thing will fill up a canister on a vacuum this size more than once. I mean, it really does vacuum well. It's surprising how good it is.
All right, I'll go ahead and end the video here because we got another thing. We got another job we got to go try to knock out this afternoon. Well, I kind of like that cactus. I like that little cactus with the eyeballs on it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Till next time, thanks for watching.